everyone, and welcome to my week in the life album for 2022. I'm pretty sure this was 2022. And this, I just took paper that I had on hand. This was Stampin' Up! Paper. And then I had some items from Ali Edwards, and it just so happened that I had paper that matched it perfectly. And so that's what I used. I also used a yellow album from Ali Edwards. I wish that I would have had one more of these albums. So I ended up with two. So this year and then the next year, which will be 2023, I had the yellow albums and I love them. I wish I would have had one more. So here is 2023. I love how I did this. I loved this album. I loved the yellow. Again, I had some product from Ali Edwards that matched the paper perfect. And then I used my Cricut. I loved that I did this. And then this is the start of it. I don't have the date on here, which I really should. And then I started my album out with a song that I really loved on a piece of vellum. And then I did a full photo of all of us. So I love the way that that looks, the vellum over the black and white photo. Then I did our family and like how old everybody was, where and what everybody was doing. And this was the year our life drastically changed because my husband, the where he was working, the company closed. It was somewhat due because of the aftermath of COVID. And so he basically lost his job because the company closed. And it was really devastating for our family. And we were very, very lucky that within a month he had another job, but it's in a totally different, he's doing something totally different than he was. So this year was rough. So these items were from Ali Edwards. And again, they just happened to match this paper from Stampin' Up! Really well. And then I cut these dividers down. I think they were like 8 by 10, I think, or a 6 by 10 or something, that really weird long album. I was going to use that year and I just couldn't manage to do it. So, and then you see like no journaling again. Yeah, this one does not have a lot of journaling either. So photos, and then does this have my journaling? Nope. So then I didn't even fill this out. I purchased these and printed these up, and I was going to use these, and I didn't. But I did the dividers. Yeah, see, this divider I did larger. I loved the way I did these dividers. Oh, an iPad. We got my husband an iPad for his new work. Working in my office. See, I'm missing photos. I mean, there's a couple years here that I did not do great with that. Oh, I stamped on this photo. That's fun. Our bathroom is totally different. Oh, I loved that when our bathroom was like that. It's since different. Again, I did no journaling. Getting my nails done. I love these dividers. That is really fun. I think this was the Johnny Depp case that it was the Johnny Depp case I was watching work. So catalogs and paper parties and classes. There's my cup again. Always makes a appearance. And then I don't know why I did this. Like, I don't know why I did like the divider and then the paper like this. And maybe I was thinking that I would do my journaling, a Zoom, with my friend Roberta. Shout out to Roberta. I really miss her. We haven't talked in such a long time. But again, no journaling. Oh, I loved this. Martinez. No photo. Oh, it does kind of make me sad. Like, I wish I would have gone back and at least filled this out. The problem is that I get so excited about a project and I dive into it and do it. And then like the tedious stuff, like going back and doing like the journaling or like photos I've missed. Like, I never want to do that. Like, I lose interest. Here's more photos, missing more photos. Inside the refrigerator, that's always a fun one to get. Violet laundry, more laundry. Cleaning up the fireplace. The school. Oh, fixing the water tower. And then school, probably pick up. And then look, like I'm missing. Ugh. Playtime, I loved this. I just loved the way I did the dividers. Text messages, sending things back and forth. Oh, movies we were watching. So a Marvel movie, A Million Little Things, The Highwayman. This was a good movie. Oh, we went out to breakfast. Oh, I used to. So Kayla was in a like a private, like chartered type school, and I used to drop Andrew off at. Oh no, that would have been the year before. This is the post office, Violet coming out after getting the mail. I miss my kids going and checking the mail. Now I don't pick them up from elementary school. So I used to pick them up from elementary school and Violet would run in and check the mail. And then I didn't have to do it. I didn't have to go in and get the mail. But now we don't go up there because we go the opposite direction to take them to school. That is fun. But then Andrew, I used to drop Andrew off at Esau's work to go get Kayla. But this was right after. This was the very end of her time at that school. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, that was the very end of her 8th grade. Okay, then Saturday I did plants. You can see I ended up doing a similar thing this year for Sunday. I did all of our plants outside, but then you can start to see how our yard, it's different even now, but like we had done this that year. And we also have the car that I ended up getting Violet out in the back of Esau's truck, living her best life. And then I loved the dividers that I did this year. That was my favorite thing of this year. And then you just see I have tons of spots that are just missing. Oh, NFL, the draft was probably close to that time that I did it. And then our yard, more spots missing. Andrew passed out on the couch. Andrew's sick. Andrew was sick. And then Sunday. Oh. Oh, that's from Andrew. Oh, that's sweet. So this was an Allie Edwards album that has more of the rings. So that was 2022. So the last one I will have for you is tomorrow, and we will look at 2023. And then I did not do a week in the life for 2024, but I dove back in for 2025 and got back to doing week in the life. So make sure you join me tomorrow for my very last week in the life share, which will be 2023. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that you can check out if you would like. If you're a member watching this video and you've missed any of the member videos, or you're new, you can go back and watch older member videos if you would like. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and I will catch you in my very next project.